So a few weeks ago at a club race, I broke my beloved Corvette C8 body. This is my first Mini Z body, so I was a little bit bummed about it breaking, and I do race every single week, so I didn't want to deal with having to paint the Kyosho bodies all the time, having to shoe goo it, or just spending 50 bucks for a fully painted auto scale. So I went ahead and switched it up. I had the C9, which I was running on my RC28, and I did paint this one myself. To be honest, it's a bit of a 10-footer in my opinion, but I did miss the race car look that I had with the Corvette, so I wanted to try out the Raceway RC Sticker Kits. I was gifted a Joe Morema body, which are super clutch because I think they're going out of production, but this was the first car that I put the stickers on. I didn't take a video of it, but the first thing I noticed just taking the stickers off the sheet was that they're really thick, so they feel like they'll put up with some abuse, they'll put up with, you know, crashing and flipping, and they're not just gonna get torn up and shredded apart. The colors are really vibrant and they have a lot of depth. It doesn't look like they went cheap with the ink or anything. The only thing I do notice is there is like kind of a pattern like this, which I'd assume is something to do with the way the printing works, but it's not a big deal and you don't notice it once it's more than a foot from your face. So a few things that I did notice though was is the fitment is kind of interesting with these. Here on this hood piece, I backed it up as close as I could to the edge of the body, and these little vent like decoration pieces still stick off. And then again on the side, I have this sticker like dropped all the way down to the body line here, and the corners of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch guys are still just hanging off just a touch. On the back of that, where the sticky part is, it's starting to pick up quite a bit of that track dust. So I guess we'll see if that sticking up really causes the rest of it to start to come off. As long as it stays put, I don't really mind that it doesn't fit perfectly. It kind of almost gives it like a 3D effect. But overall, I think they look really good. The stickers have a lot of stick, so they feel like there's a lot of adhesive on there. And when I would try to line them up, sometimes I would find myself like taking the sticker on and off to try to get it lined up just how I wanted. And I didn't feel like I was risking, you know, the sticker not sticking because I just stuck and unstuck it just a couple times. And once you press them down, they do stay on really well. Now the second kit, which I actually did record putting on, was the Red Bull kit for the PNC9 body. I did it again, and I do recommend painting in at least this rear portion and then maybe these sidelines black just to kind of fill in the body and give the car a little bit of depth and make it look complete. Overall, I think this kit actually fits the car better than the Joe Morema kit. There isn't any part of the kit that I wasn't able to get to stick down fully to the body. Another note though is that I didn't put all the stickers on, and my reasoning for that was because it's really, you know, Mini Zs are a really small car, and I felt like it could look a little busy with all the extra pieces on there. So on this car, you know, there was a sticker there, another sticker here, and those were just little vent like accent stickers. So I just left them off and mainly had the main Red Bull livery, and then I personally put one thing here that I thought looks like a fuel filler, which of course would only be on one side of a car. So that was just kind of my preference, but that's the cool thing is you can make them your own. Another thing that I did was on both cars, the Joe Morema has this as well. There's a sticker that's intended for the top of the rear wing, and I put it on the back because it helps the livery feel like it wraps all the way around the car when there's something up high on the back of the wing there. Overall, I think it was a little over $50 with shipping for 2 kits, and especially for me because I don't consider myself artistic and I really suck at painting. I consider it a great value because it makes your bodies look really cool, and both the PN and the Joe Morema are $30 bodies. So 30 plus 20, you know, for the kit, you're at 50 bucks. That's the same price as an auto scale, but if you're racing, this is gonna last dang near forever, and it looks really good. So I'll follow up after I've ran a few more races. Like I said, I ran one with the Joe Morema, and then this one is brand new, hasn't touched the track yet, so this is the prettiest it'll ever look. But overall, I would definitely recommend these kits, and I think whoever designs them is really into racing because they have a lot of like classic racing liveries as well as some fun ones like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I think there's like a Coca-Cola one as well. And if I had to give Raceway RC a little bit of feedback on these, I would say that I wish there was a diagram that showed you exactly where the stickers go. It kind of makes sense. A lot of them are self-explanatory, but the only way to verify it was to go on their website. And on the mobile version, I could only pull up one picture of the car. So if they had a diagram and maybe like numbers next to the stickers, kind of like they do with the Lego sets. And then aside from that, I just wish that maybe some of the fitment issues, and I'm not sure if this is exclusive to the Cinnamon Toast Crunch one, but I would prefer that all the stickers can actually fully stick down to the body, but that would be my only feedback on an otherwise great product. Maybe eventually I'll post a short talking about the durability of these because I'm curious to see what this is like. The class I'm running the Joe Morema body in can be kind of a cluster, so I'll really be putting these stickers to the test as far as durability goes, and I'll let you guys know how it fares. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching, and subscribe to the Mini Racers for all things Mini Z Racing.